The Supreme Court's opinion in the healthcare cases it's really an extraordinary moment in constitutional law. And it's extraordinary for a lot of reasons, but maybe the most important is how the Chief Justice was able to craft an opinion that in many respects saved the court from looking extremely partisan and having a 5-4 decision split along Republican and Democratic lines, upholding what is easily, I think, the most important piece of federal legislation in 50 or 60 years. At the same time, he was able to write significant parts of the opinion that aligned with conservative legal thought. And therefore, at the same time as accomplishing a lot of what the conservative constitutional agenda was, he also saved the signature achievement of President Obama. And by doing so, what he did was create a moment for this country where the court seemed truly above politics. And that's really important. It's an act, I think, that shouldn't be underestimated for its courage. He stood for something more important than probably what he instinctively believed, thinking that the principled nature of the court was far more important to the long-run history of the country. Another really important aspect of the decision is that what this means is that healthcare reform, something we've been fighting about, that politicians have been trying to enact going back to the Teddy Roosevelt administration, will now be implemented. And we will now have, as a fundamental aspect of our social contract in this country, essentially a guarantee of access to health insurance. Once that happens, it has a great likelihood, like Social Security, like Medicare, like welfare, like civil rights protections, of becoming entrenched. It will become simply an accepted part of our political culture that will become nearly impossible to undo. And in that respect, I think this decision is phenomenally important because it may make the Affordable Care Act itself something like the Constitution, something that everyone must accept going forward and build their political and constitutional expectations around to accommodate it.